What is a booster pad? Booster pads are extra absorbent pads and go inside incontinence briefs. They are amazing for incontinence use and are growing like crazy in popularity. But because they are fairly new, most caregivers still don't know how to use them. Booster pads cannot be used with normal underwear. You must use them only with incontinence briefs. This is because they have a special pass-through technology that allows the liquid to pass through into the brief once the booster pads are full. This maxes out the total capacity of absorption. Fewer changes and fewer leaks is why booster pads are getting so popular. I'm holding the most premium booster pads on the market, the Dry Direct Ultimate Booster Pad. It's the softest, most luxurious, silky smooth feel to it. 100% made in Italy, you'll dream about how soft and comfortable it feels. Who are booster pads for? If you own premium incontinence briefs, such as Dry Direct, 90% of the time you won't need to use booster pads. But with average briefs, booster pads can really help transform them into premium ones. Now, if you already have premium briefs and are still experiencing leaks, this is likely due to a poor fit or gapping. The Ultimate Booster Pad will help ensure that you have a snug fit and no gapping. So how do you use it? For normal use, simply peel off the adhesive tab found on the bottom. Place the booster pad in the center channel of the incontinence brief. It's not too sticky on purpose. You can reposition it as needed, and your body weight will hold it in place. For men that have poking out leaks at night, put a booster pad over the head of the penis and use the wraparound twist method, like so. Upgrade to Dry Direct's Ultimate Booster Pads today.